Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Helpline. This is where we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. In today's video, we will be showing you how to add new contacts to your Telegram. In order to add your contact, first go into the Telegram application. It will open up in the Recent Conversations page. From here, press the menu icon at the top left corner and then go into Contacts. You will be able to find the Add Contact button at the bottom right corner. Press on this and you will be asked to enter a name and the phone number of the contact. Go ahead and enter the name followed by the phone number. Then press Done. You will be taken into the message conversation. Now you can add this contact into existing groups as well. So that's it for today's video. If you like our content, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel to receive more useful videos in the future. Thank you for watching.